mother this Sunday, which is coming March the 6th, guys. We know that a lot of mothers gonna come out, just feel with that love, with that heart. You know what I mean? That mom got through a lot of time. That's how the song man said, Mama, we love you. So this time I want to say Happy Mother's Day, and we love you, mom. And you know what I mean? We appreciate it if everyone can just leave their comments underneath the mother, underneath the video. We say Happy Mother's Day. We're gonna send this video across the world to make every mother know that who brought a child into this world. We love you, and no matter if you're not even my mother, we love you because you brought a child into the world, and we want to say we appreciate it. And if you see the video and you're a mother of a child, you need to take the video and share it to someone and write your comments. This video goes for every mother in this world to tell them that we love them and we appreciate us guys just to bring us into this world. Spend 9 months. It wasn't easy through the pain and sorrow, but mom, you did it for us. So that's why today we can stand up and say, you know what, mama, we love you. So if you're not my mother, or you're not someone's mother, we love you same way. And this video is to go to the world to tell every mother that we love them. We're gonna share it, we're gonna broadcast the video and make everyone write their comments to say yes, this video goes for every mother in this world. Mama, we love you guys, and thank you so much to brought us into this world and spend that 9 months of pain and sorrow and go through that one heap of pain to bring us into the world. We love you, mama. Thank you so much. Enjoy the recipe them, enjoy all the video them what's going up for mama for Mother's Day. I know you guys gonna love it. So thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.